Hey guys, it's me again, Kevin, and I'm back for another video. So for today, may bago tayo i-review na keyboard. This is from MONKA, the MONKA AE98. This is a full layout keyboard, so check natin kung maganda yung features, maganda yung quality, experience, and kung ano yung kasama sa box na to, kung worth it ba siya. So everything will be detailed, and this is in the description, lahat ng links where you can purchase this. And let's see if it's good for you, it's for you or not. And let's find out. So without wasting any more time, let's open this box and see how it does. Let's go. So here is the full keyboard, as you can see here. Full layout, a very nice design, minimalist. It's very clean. It's actually very heavy. It's made out of plastic all throughout the body. And when you look at the back, you'll see, of course, the switch. This is a Bluetooth and a 2.4 wireless keyboard. So you have the dongle right here. Here you have the routing cable where you can organize the cable. And here you can Type-C port right there. You have a 4 rubber feet. And you have an adjustable stand. So it's very versatile. It's very clean. I like the design. How about you guys? So here it is. You have the MONKA here, logo. It's made out of plastic. It's quite heavy. When you twist it, it flexes a little bit because of the frame of the body. It's not metal or anything, but it's built like a tank in my opinion. It's very good built. The layout I like. It's not very long or very small. It's just right. So let's start with testing this keyboard out. Let's plug it in my laptop and see how it performs. So here it is. I turn it on. This is plugged in on my laptop. So let's see all the functions of the keyboard. Here you have an FN control right here. You can change the different light modes, RGB modes. There are tons of options right here. You can change the brightness. You can change the speed right here. There's a lot of options right here. You can customize it however you like. I'm really impressed by the RGB lights here. It's very vibrant. It illuminates really very brightly. It really performs well under dark condition. I have no complaints regarding the RGB performance of this. So let's proceed with the next task, which is the sound test and the performance. So how it feels in the hands, if it's good or out of the box or not, or do you need to customize it or not. Let's see how it performs. So let's go. One thing to add about this keyboard is, of course, you have, as I said earlier, meron siyang tri-mode, meron siyang 2.4 dongle, so you have to activate it here, FN and Q, FN and W or ER. In WER, meron siyang tatlong Bluetooth function, so 3 devices pwede siya ma-connect. So You have options right here. So very impressive feature of this keyboard. Wala akong masabing flaw dito sa design. Dun sa build quality, I mean for the price you get, sa features na meron nito, I'm really impressed by it so far. If ever may makita kayong hindi nyo gusto, let me know in the comment section down below. So let's proceed with the next part of the video. So let's go. So right now we'll be testing out the keyboard sound test. Yeah, this is the time you need to pay attention. So let's go and proceed with the typing test and how it sounds. So let's go. Alam ko marami ng keyboard dyan, no? Na full layout na ganito. So, marami ng mas mura dito. But this keyboard, pangmatagalan na to. It's really good. I can really recommend this sa lahat. Pwede nyo itong pang endgame, lalo na sa mga walang budget or sa mga may budget. Pero ganito lang yung presyong kaya nila. This features, for this price, I mean, very impressive. Wala akong masabing mali. I can buy this on my own. But Monka is very nice to have this sent to me for review. And I'm being honest, 100% right here. Sabihin ko sa inyo kung may hindi maganda or hindi ako nagustuhan. So far wala akong nakikita kasi yung keyboard maganda, yung keys maganda, double shot yung keycaps. Maganda yung feel niya, maayos mag-type. Wala masyadong wobble sa keys. Maganda yung switch na Sakura pink. It's very soft to the touch. Medyo muted lang siya, no? Hindi siya ganun kaingay. Sa lahat ng mga naghanap na linear na maingay. This is maybe ibang switch ang para sa inyo. But for me, okay siya. For gusto nyo tahimik lang pero smooth ang feel. Yung Sakura pink na switch is very smooth out of the box. So if ever gusto nyo mag-ilube ito, I think mas magiging muted pa siya. Kung gusto nyo talagang silent style na pagta-type na linear, pwede nyo siyang ilube. But for me, sakto lang yung sound niya as you heard earlier sa sound test natin. Very muted siya, very soft, very para siyang marble yung tunog niya pero muted, parang ganun. So, if ever may questions kayo regarding this keyboard, feel free to comment down below. I'll be glad to answer all of it. Lahat ng links na kailangan nyo, description nitong keyboard, parts, weight, dimensions, kung ano man, lahat yan nasa description down below. So if ever man na gusto nyo itong keyboard, let me know down at the comment section. Kung ayaw nyo naman, kung may ayaw kayo sa mga features dito, i-comment nyo na lang din. So thank you guys for watching and for supporting this video. Thank you for, kung nanonood pa rin kayo, maraming salamat sa suporta. And like nyo naman tong video at i-subscribe nyo na rin ako pag di pa kayo nakasubscribe. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys!